guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do an Audi. This is an A8, this is a V6, this is a TVSI. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do the front brakes. It's a bit of a hassle, but it's nice guys to learn about this, so you can be able to do it freely. So you pull out first guys, this is the brake sensor, and you will have to disconnect the brake sensor from behind here. I'll show you that later on. So what you do secondly guys, you take out this rubber covers. It covers back in here guys, what is holding the brake caliper holding the brake caliper guys. That's what's holding right there. So I'm just going to show you in a moment how to get this out. Then guys, we have to come to the front right here. So we have to have like a 40 Torx. It should be 40 millimeter. There's a Torx. So no, it's a 45. So you have to get a Torx 45, and then maybe I use something with a gun like this. Get it out. Alright guys, once that is out, we have guys to pry this out. You can use just a prying tool just like this. You try prying from the side like this. It just will pop out, so don't be careful, don't hurt yourself with it. Just pry it gently. You should be able to just pop out just like that easily from there. So remember guys, when you're putting back, there's a groove which has to go in. Just make sure you just align them well. Alright guys, the next thing, you'll be able to see the brakes, the holders from inside here. And then I will have to use this is a 9, Allen key 9. So this Allen key guys, you're gonna put it like that's what you're gonna use to open these holders holding the caliper to where the rotor is. So you have to use something to break it up. Then you can use a gun to just open it out. Okay, once that guys is out, and then you have to make sure guys the brake thing on the caliper just comes out just easily. So I normally prefer like you get like a flat screwdriver guys, and you try and gently squeeze the brakes to just like move back a little bit. Once you do that, at least will give like enough space to make it free, so that the caliper just like pops out from that holding position. So you see like it's still tight, the brakes are just holding to the rotor tight. So you just get like a flat screwdriver or something like this, and then you just pry it gently. You push it back, you push the pistons for the brakes, so that it gives you enough space guys to just to freely come out. Like you don't have to force it out. Just gives you like a just space enough so you can just pull it out from where it is. You see right here guys, there's a space which is just forming. So once it's just like that guys, you'll be good to go. You can just pull it from whatever space it is, then just get it out. Alright guys, that's enough for me. That space is enough. So we're going ahead just to just get it out. So just put it gently and then hold it. It's really like heavy. Just make sure you just put it aside gently. So guys, our brake caliper is out. So make sure you don't stretch the brake line. So just put it in a position where you can be able just to pull out the brake pads without stretching the line. So you just push them to the front, just give them just a little bit push, and then that thing should be able to come out. Alright guys, we see the pistons are still protruding. They're just like all the way out. so we have to like pry them in so that it allows them the new brake pads to just fit in there, so it doesn't make us give us a lot of hard time to push it in into the so guys, I have a special tool. Those who can't have a special tool, you just use maybe a plier so that you just squeeze it in all the way. But this tool guys is so essential if you have like if you have like several cars to work on most of the time. It should come in handy. So once you do that guys, you have enough space, you put in the new brakes, you practically do the reverse of what you've been doing, you just squeeze them all in. Okay guys, something important I have to put in mind is replacing the sensor. I know that thing gave me a hard time. So what you do guys, you go back behind the caliper. So right here guys, it's locked in, like this one section we protrudes and locks in. So what you need guys to do is you pull out, you just squeeze it to the side, you just turn it like this, and then it gives you the access to come out from there. So once you see guys like this, you just like turn, you see that small protruding part, you just pull it back a little bit so that it just